Now let's understand how to extract information from this output. So basically from this request, and then there is output context, and we want to get these information. So for that, what I'll do is that this body has output context. So I'll write another function, def get underscore parameters. I'll receive request, let's say small request, which will be of which will be of dict, and then I'll return dict as well. So what I'll do that output underscore context equals to request, and then, or I'll say body, just to not confuse ourselves. Inside body there is output context. Output context is a list. So I'll say for OC in output contexts. Now if you look here, each output context has these properties, name, lifespan count, and parameter. So if we look into this name, the last characters define which output context is that. So what I'll say name equals to OC and then name, and then I'll say if my context name is session -vars in name, then I'll print my parameters. So OC parameters, and let me return that as well, OC and then parameters. Otherwise I will return an empty dictionary. Here I'll say parameters equals to get parameters, and I'll pass the body, and let me print parameters. Now so let me rerun the conversation again. So hi, and my name is Raj, and my number is this. We did not got the response correctly, maybe an internal server error, and it says body doesn't have the key output context, and it is, I think, my bad, because this is under query result. So I'll come here again and I'll say query results. I'll save this. Now it is sometimes tedious to run through all the conversations if the conversations are long. So what I'll do, I'll copy this request. I'll copy this whole thing. I'll copy this whole thing. I'll copy that, and I'll open a tool called Insomnia, which is API testing mechanism, or you can use Postman or any API requesting thing. And I have one post request created. I want to send a post request to this, and the JSON body will be this. So when I hit enter, you will see we have received the information and here you can see we got the information: person name Raj and phone number is this. Now here you can do all the things like to do. Okay, one, extract the exact parameters. Then save the parameters, or check the parameters. Anything you can do here. Then the third thing, generate the response and send it. So I hope you now understand how the webhook works and how we extract the parameter, how we send the response to Dialogflow. In the further section of the video, when we will build our question and answer chatbot, you will learn more concepts about webhook and how Dialogflow and webhook can communicate, how we can set context, set parameters, and keep our parameters or keep our values or objects in session as well. But I guess for now this thing is enough. We have successfully built our webhook and connected it to Dialogflow. So now since it worked here, now I can taste it finally. Hi, my name is Raj and my number is this, and we will see that thank you for this information, and we have this response as well. In the upcoming video, we will understand integration and this further section of Dialogflow.